Okay, check it out. We're about to open up the CF81E, the new Verkada fisheye 12 megapixel camera. This is the new model. This the second version. The first version didn't have the analytics, so you couldn't search by people and vehicle. But this new version has. It's actually pretty heavy. Let's see what's in the box. What's in the box? Ooh, install kit. Get your little tamper-proof to open it up. This is the standard stuff that comes with all the Verkada cameras. Let's open it up and look at it. All right, 3 screws. Let's see if that's enough. Ooh, look at that. So here's the cover. Get your lens. Let's leave that guy on. Horizontal reset. So you have to mount it this way. That's a little arrow telling you that. So this is the wrench that comes with it to take off the waterproof cable input. I don't know if you can see that. This is where your data cable comes through. It's got this little 2-piece bushing. We got this guy. Oh, that is not a Phillips. Nice. Classic woman mistake there. So you got these 2 bushings. That's where the wire comes through. Oh. So you get these 2 bushings. That's where the wire comes through. This guy goes on. You tighten it down. I'm going to show you how to take the mounting plate off the back of it. So you loosen up these 3 screws which hold the mounting plate on, like so. Turn that guy. So this is what you would mount to the wall or your junction box. These 3 screws stay in kind of like a little stud pattern. Click it back on. Turn it to the right. Tighten it back down. Put your cover back on. Put the logo down here where it says horizontal reset. And then you tighten it back down with this guy. It's pretty cool though. Feel how heavy this is. Get on the cam. So there you go, man. That's that unboxing of that. So we're actually going to be installing that new camera at our office. Here's Tony taking down our old off-brand IP camera. We're about to mount this fisheye out front. So we're adapting this fisheye mounting plate to the old junction box. It's actually a perfect fit though. Fits on there perfect. Got Tony re-terminating this wire, getting it ready. So Tony's putting on that waterproof seal right now. Look at that. He's looking on his phone to see what the view looks like. Putting that cover on. This is the final product's view, which is crazy because before we could barely even see our own door. Now we could see all the way down the entire business park, and we can search by face and vehicle. So it's, and the microphone's on this now, so now you can hear everything outside too. So this is way, way better. It's like a super upgrade compared to what we had previously. So we're loving it.